Hello everybody, today we'll unbox a beautiful USB condenser microphone by TONOR, which has a 2 years warranty. Yeah, you can see this. This model is TC-777, TC-777. We'll see what's inside. Let's go to unbox this thing. Okay, as every product we unbox, and every product, electronic product or any product in the world, it has a nice instruction manual for those who wants to be very informed about the product they bought. Of course, you have to read the instruction manual before assembly, as it is advised in here. It's not very complicated, but you have to, of course, read it. Okay, let's see what's inside. We have a pop filter, a beautiful pop filter, very useful to all the microphones that we use, because it filters the noises. And the main product in here, well, let's see. We have a microphone. It's not very hard to install. It's already on on its stand. It needs a little bit adjustment in here, so it can stay like this. Well, let's put it in position. Okay, and let's install the pop filter. It also has the microphone filter by itself, but we'll use it this. You can use it outside where it's windy or it's harsh weather. Yes, you can use this microphone also in outside. Okay, like this. Ooh, yes. And we have a pop filter to our microphone. It's in position. It's on USB. It has a connection on USB. This is, for me, is a minus, because in the standard package it has no adapter for anything else. This will plug it in the computer or in the laptop or any other device. And it's self-installing in the device you are connected in, so you can start to use it. It's a very nice product by TONOR, a not very expensive one, but a very effective one, so you can use it, buy it, and everything else. Thank you for your attention. This is TONOR TC-777 microphone, a beautiful one. Thank you.